Hello and welcome to this introduction to geometry. Today, we are going to explore the foundation of all geometric concepts. We will be learning about the three undefined terms: point, line, and plane. First, you might be asking, what does it mean for a term to be undefined? In geometry, these are the most basic figures. They are so fundamental that we cannot define them using other figures. Instead of a formal definition, we describe them by their properties and characteristics. Think of them as the bricks or building blocks used to construct everything else in geometry, like angles, triangles, and circles. Let's start with the simplest term, the point. A point indicates a specific location in space. It has no size at all, no length, no width, and no depth. It is zero-dimensional. In diagrams, we represent a point with a simple dot, and we name it using a single capital letter, like point A. Next, we have the line. Imagine a straight path that extends forever in two opposite directions. That is a line. It has infinite length, but it has no thickness or width. It is one-dimensional. We can name a line by any 2 points on it, like line AB, or by a single lowercase script letter, like line M. The third term is the plane. A plane is a flat surface that extends forever in all directions. Imagine a tabletop that never ends. It has length and width, so it is two-dimensional, but it has no thickness. We typically represent a plane with a slanted four-sided figure, like a parallelogram. We name it using a capital script letter, like plane P, or by 3 points on the plane that are not in a straight line. Let's compare these three concepts side by side to understand their dimensions. A point has 0 dimensions. It is just a position. A line has 1 dimension. It has length. A plane has 2 dimensions. It has length and width. This progression from 0 to 2 dimensions is crucial for understanding how space works in geometry. Now let's look at how points relate to lines. When 2 or more points lie on the same single line, we call them collinear points. In this diagram, points A, B, and C are all on the same straight path, so they are collinear. Point D is off to the side, so it is non-collinear with the others. Similarly, we have a term for points on a plane. Points that lie on the same flat surface or plane are called coplanar points. Here, points X, Y, and Z are all sitting on plane M, making them coplanar. Point W is outside the plane, so it is non-coplanar. What happens when these figures meet? When two different lines cross each other, their intersection is exactly 1 point. However, when two different planes intersect, they meet at a line. Think of two walls meeting in a room. The corner where they touch forms a vertical line. To wrap up, remember these three key concepts. The point is a location with 0 dimensions. The line is a straight path with 1 dimension. And the plane is a flat surface with 2 dimensions. These undefined terms form the basis for every other shape and rule we will learn in geometry.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.